for today's miniserye. Tara, kwentuhan tayo. It's been a while since the last time I uploaded a vlog. I miss vlogging. Grabe, napaka-busy ko guys. It's not easy to be a working mom. Yung tipo guys na I seldom check my email kasi wala na akong time. I seldom post a reel kasi nga wala akong time. So minsan na lang ako mag-check ng Facebook, ng email ko. Grabe guys, sobrang busy. Ay, grabe. You know what guys, I just want to share that it's really a nice feeling guys if you can drive around. So for those who are still aiming to drive, just go for it guys. Just keep practicing and eventually you can drive also. Napakaganda ng feeling guys if you can drive because hindi naliliit yung mundo mo. You don't have to rely on somebody to pick you up, to drive you somewhere. So you really don't have to rely to anyone. You have the freedom. You know, if you want to go to church, if you want to go to the supermarket, to the store, go shopping, visit someone, or if you want to go somewhere, you know, all you have to do is drive. And that's the feeling that I am experiencing right now, guys. Napakaganda ng feeling, guys. You know, before, guys, feeling ko napakaliit ng mundo ko. Kasi I can go out, you know, I can go to the store. I have to wait for my husband kung kailan siya uuwi, no, from work. And that's the time I can go to the store kasi nga hindi ako marunong mag-drive. So imagine guys, more than a year na pala akong nagda-drive pero parang kailan lang guys, parang kailan lang, no, na nag behind the wheels ako sa DMV. Pero guys, grabe yung sisi ko guys kasi ang tagal kong nag-decide to drive eh. Napakadali lang palang mag-drive. And another thing guys, napakaganda ng feeling kasi nga I can take my son to the park. I can take him to Baskin-Robbins. So if I need to go shopping, grocery, I can just take my son with me. So napakaganda ng feeling talaga guys that you have the freedom to go anywhere you want. And yung isang feeling guys na napakaganda if you have a job because financial freedom is very important. Yung tipo guys na you don't have to depend on anyone. Like if you want to send your family back home, you can send them money because you have a job. If you want to buy something, then you can buy whatever you want. Yung tipo guys na you don't have to depend on anyone. Financial freedom. So it is a must guys kung nasa US ka or anywhere abroad. Kailangan marunong kang mag-drive guys. Secondly, mas maganda guys kung may sarili kang income, nagtatrabaho ka. Napakaganda kasi ng feeling guys eh, pag may sarili kang income, yung tipo ba guys na in a month, sumasahod ka twice a month. Kaya napakasaya ko guys, kasi nga, marunong na akong mag-drive, nagta-drive na ako, tapos, grabe si Lord, He blessed me a very good job. And one thing I learned from my husband is tomorrow is never guaranteed. So he kept telling me that you really have to get a job because life is too short. What if something happens to me? Kaya tama siya guys. So I took his advice. I really, spend years looking for a job until finally God blessed me a good job. I'm so happy with my job. I like the working environment. I like the people I work with and the fact that, I have a secured job at federal government. So thank you so much God for everything. So I guess this is all for now guys. Thank you for watching. Until next miniserye. Bye!